Hi, I'm Nandita and welcome to my channel. You know, when we have a salad for lunch or dinner, we end up feeling hungry quite soon. I have just the solution for that, and it is my mixed bean salad. Now, beans are really rich in protein and fiber, which keep us full for much longer. So let's get started. So in the mixed bean salad, I have taken 4 kinds of beans. There is some rajma or kidney beans, there's black beans, there's black eyed peas or lobia, and there's kabuli chana or chickpeas. Now, you know, sometimes we are left with a little bit of quantity in bottles in the kitchen, and this is a great way to use up everything in one dish. But only take care that you're choosing beans of a similar size. So if you're choosing large sized beans, then make sure everything is largish, so then it all cooks together. And don't mix very small beans like moong with this one. So this I've soaked overnight and pressure cooked for around 2 whistles so that the beans are cooked but it's not mushy. So the next ingredient is some lettuce. So I've taken some mixed lettuce here which is washed and dried. So I'm just going to chop it into bite-sized pieces. I'm adding the lettuce to the bowl and the mixed beans also go into the bowl. The next ingredient is some pickled jalapenos. So you get these sliced in bottles. I'm just going to chop it up into smaller bits. Our next ingredient is onion, which I've sliced thinly and I've soaked it in some plain white vinegar for around 15 to 20 minutes. This just gives it a nice tangy flavor and it also takes off the bite of the onions. So just squeeze this out of the vinegar and then add it to the salad. And now for some spices and seasonings. There's roasted cumin powder. Because the salad has a kind of a Mexican flavor to it, roasted cumin goes really well in this. And there's some dried oregano as well. And for this salad, we are not mixing a separate dressing, but I'm just adding all the ingredients to the bowl itself. The next is lime juice. And some extra virgin olive oil. Next, I'm going to season it with some salt, but the pickled jalapeno has salt in it as well as the feta cheese which we are going to use for garnish. So just be careful when you add the salt here. And now we'll give it a good mix. Our high protein mixed bean salad is ready, so it's time to plate it. So I'm just going to use some feta cheese as a final garnish for the mixed bean salad. Whenever you use cheese as a garnish in a salad, make sure you add it after you've plated the salad on top and not mix the whole thing together because it can just turn creamy and it'll get all mashed up. So I'm just going to chop this up roughly. And now the garnish with the feta. So our mixed bean salad is ready and it smells delicious. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you real soon in my next video. Thanks for watching.